Good morning, student. Today we will continue chapter 7 trigonometric identities. It is sixth part of this chapter. Exercise 7.1. Question number 15 we have done. Today we will start question number 16. Question number 16 we have given sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay. First we will see at LHS portion. What we have given? Sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta. Okay, sin 6 theta we can write as a sin square theta cube plus cos 6 theta we can write cos square theta cube. So you can see that it is a cube plus b cube. So we will use the identity of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. Okay, at the place of a we have sin square theta and at the place of b we have cos square theta. So put the value in these identities. Okay, first we will write a plus b, that means sin square theta, plus b, that means cos square theta. In second bracket we will write a square plus b square. A square, that means sin square theta square, that means sin power 4. Sin square square, that means sin की power 4 theta, plus b square, that means square of cos square theta. Square of cos square theta, that means cos की power 4 theta. Minus of ab, that means a, that means sin square theta, b, that means cos square theta. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta, it will be become 1 according to the, by using the identity. What will be remains here? Sin power 4 theta plus cos की power 4 theta minus sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, sin power 4 theta we can write as a sin square theta का square plus cos की power 4 theta we can write as a cos square theta का square. In previous question I told you one thing is that same value we can add and same value we can subtract in any equation. The value of the equation never change. Okay, so here we will add one value to sin square theta cos square theta and same value I will be subtract here. So minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, and already we have given one thing is that sin square theta cos square theta. Again I will be repeat this statement because it is very important. First is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, leave this. Sin power 4 theta I can rewrite as a sin square theta, sin square का square theta, that means 2 into 2 4 again. Cos की power 4 theta I can rewrite as a cos की power 4 theta cos square theta square. अब same value I will add and same value I will subtract in this equation. That means plus 2 sin square theta cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. This value I add in this equation. Now remains here minus sin square theta cos square theta I rewrite here. Now I will see this portion. What is this? It is the a square plus b square plus 2ab. At the place of a we have sin square theta, at the place of b we have cos square theta. Again it is whole square of a plus b. If I will be open this bracket I will get this thing. Now minus 2 sin square theta and minus sin square theta cos square theta. Minus minus is plus, so it will become 3 sin square theta cos square theta. You know that sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Again square minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta, and you can look at the RHS 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta, और यही हमें चाहिए था. It is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, it is very important questions, so remember this. So practice this question properly. Now next question number 17. Tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Okay, first we equal to 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta. Okay, first we will take LHS portion. In LHS portion we have given tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. We know that tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta and cot theta equal to cos theta upon sine theta. Okay, so at the place of tan theta we will write sine theta upon cos theta, and at the place of cot theta we will write cos theta upon sine theta. Okay, put the values. At the place of tan theta I will be write sine theta upon cos theta divided by 1 minus cot theta. Here we will write cos theta upon sine theta. Okay, at the place of cot theta I will be write cos theta upon sine theta 1 minus tan theta. Tan theta, that means what I will be write? Sine upon cos, that means sine theta upon cos theta. Okay, now numerator, this cos theta will become at denominator. Here I will be take LCM because here values are in fractions, so I have to take LCM. Okay, so LCM of 1 and sine theta is sine theta. Sine theta will be divided by 1, sine will be multiplied by 1, sine theta minus sine theta divided by sine theta 1 will be multiplied by cos theta, we will get cos theta plus cos theta. This sine theta will be a denominator. LCM of 1 and cos theta is cos theta. Cos theta will be divided by 1. I will find cos theta, and cos theta will be multiplied by 1. We get cos theta minus. Now cos theta will be divided by cos theta, I will get 1. 1 will be multiplied by sin theta, I will get sin theta. You can see that here we have sin theta minus cos theta, but here we have cos theta minus sin theta. You know that if I will be multiply this bracket by minus, at the place of plus, if I will put minus, it will become sin theta minus cos theta. I will repeat because it is very important steps of this question. Here we have given sin theta minus cos theta, but here I have given cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, so I have to make it sin theta minus cos theta. For this I will be multiply by minus this bracket, so it will become at the place of cos theta minus sin theta, it will become sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, so sin theta, this sin cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, here will be minus because at the place of plus I write here minus. Okay, sin theta. Now what will be here? Because I put here negative sign, it becomes sin theta minus cos theta upon cos theta. Okay, now this sin theta will be come at numerator part, so it will become sin into sin square theta. Here we have cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta. Minus this cos theta will be come at numerator. So cos into cos, cos square theta, sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. Now you can see that 1 upon sin theta and 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta, and here 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta is common. Okay. Or you can take LCM of both numbers. So first we will take LCM. Okay, so LCM is sin theta minus cos theta and sin theta cos theta. Okay, so if this value will be divided by this value, what will be remains? Cos theta will be cancelled by cos, this will be cancelled by this. What will be here? Sin theta will be. So it will be multiplied by numerator, so we will get sin cube theta. Similarly here will be minus, this value will be divided by this value. If we will solve this equation, sin theta and sin theta cancel, sin theta minus cos theta will be cancelled. What will be remains? Cos theta. So cos theta will be multiplied by cos square theta. We will get cos cube theta. Okay, and we know that a cube minus b cube. What is the value of a cube minus b cube? A minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. So this identity we will use here. Okay, sin cube minus cos cube, what will be here? Sin theta minus cos theta. A cube, here at the place of a we have sin theta, at the place of b we have cos theta. Okay, so a minus b, that means sin theta minus cos theta. Now we have a square, that means sin square theta. At the place of b square we will write cos square theta plus ab, that means sin theta cos theta. Okay, it will be divided by sin theta minus cos theta and sin theta cos theta. This bracket will be cancelled out. Sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus what will be remains here? Okay, so we can write sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta. It will be divided by sin theta cos theta. Okay, because a plus b equal to b plus a. In addition, commutative property is applicable. So I write here this value first and this value next. Okay, now next is, here we have positive sign, so this will write with this value sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta we will write with sin theta cos theta. Okay, simply I have expanded this equation. Okay, now cos square theta we will write sin theta cos theta. Okay, sin theta cos theta will be cancelled. One square will be cancelled by sin theta and this square is cancelled by cos theta. What will be remains here? 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon sin theta. We know that 1 plus sin upon cos is tan theta, cos upon sin is cot theta. And you can see the question. Here we have given 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta in RHS and we got this value. Okay, equal to RHS. Hence prove. It is very important question from for exam point of view. So practice this both questions very well at home. Now these are homework question number 18, 19 and 21. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.